So that one's cooked. That one's done.
That white one, I'm just gonna take and go patch.
This one here is still okay or not? Still okay.
Yeah, it was patched this week.
And that one's done. This one here's got holes in the bottom. Those ones are totally cooked, eh?
Yeah.
Wow. Crazy.
Put a cloth and resin.
Yeah, if you know how to do fiberglass, eh?
I've cleaned this beach off so many times, Joe.
So what is going to happen with all this stuff? What happens with this boat? They just stay here or they just... Wow. I've never seen so many. So we got 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. That's a pretty good size one down there too, eh? Do you know who they belong to?
Yeah.
Wow.
You're gonna salvage them back.
Shit, there's some nice logs there too.
What are you gonna do with the log?
Look at that. I'm looking at the boats.
Yeah, I know. I saw them.
I thought it's a Ruth said. Come down and look at the
I went out
boats.
to the end and I saw the little boats.
Unbelievable. I know it was pretty windy.
Well, you know, there's people who live on the out there.
Yeah.
I don't know, but these are in bad shape.
I know over 300 people that are living on water.
Is that right?
How many people?
300.
300.
Wow.
Here's one.
Is
Why
that-
not
is
if you
that
can-
in all of British Columbia?
No, here.
This is just in the lower west
His
coast,
closest,
southern Gulf
closest
Islands.
personal friend.
Oh,
Wow.
really?
Yeah.
You got more friends than I have.